Thanks for taking some time to take a look at our new premium sectional dock frame. We're super excited to get into this new product line. It's no revolution. The post-sectional dock style of systems have been around for years, but in the Midwest, the roll-in features have really taken stride, but we still do understand that there's a lot of lake applications that the roll-in stuff just doesn't work. Whether you're dealing with a big steep bank, maybe you have a big steep retaining wall, maybe a ton of riprap to get over, or maybe you just don't have a ton of shoreline where you can afford to span a 64-foot dock in the backyard, where these dock sections, they'll stack up on top of each other really nicely with the external brackets, so the dock sections can sit in between themselves. But one thing that we really want to hit home with just introducing this and showing our customers our sectional dock frame is we're still holding strong with our truss design. A lot of our competitors are going to use things like a 6-inch tube or even a 5-inch solid side tube. It can cut some corners by eliminating some time and labor into building each piece. But number one is we're going to get 12 inches of vertical strength. Again, competitors are 6 inches, 5 inches. A truss design will also break a wave. So vertical strength, whether you're spanning our sections and you're buying them in the 8-foot lengths, 10-foot lengths, 12 or 16, you're gonna have that 12 inches of vertical strength. You'll also notice that we have a top lip design that inverts our decking, so a nice clean look. So just to give everyone an example of how to purchase this dock. So let's use an 8-foot dock section for example. We're gonna keep it really simple. The 8-foot sections, they'll come with the 8-foot section frame, 2 4-foot by 4-foot SureStep polypropylene panels. They do offer a lifetime UV protection warranty. The sections will also come with 2 quick connect brackets, and they'll also come with the 2 external pockets to invert your post. The quick connect brackets, really quickly, they are toolless other than when you initially set them up. They can go infinitely along the whole 8-foot long side, or let's call it the male end, where you're connecting future sections going away from shore. Then we'll also have 6-foot post kits and 8-foot post kits. And that's really simple, guys. That'll be a kit. Let's just use 6-foot for example. A 6-foot post kit would be 2 6-foot, 2.5-inch square, 3/16 wall post supports. They'll also come with 2 post pads and then 2 post caps. So literally 3 SKUs to build out one of these systems within reason. So obviously an 8-foot dock section frame, your 2 SureStep dock panels, and then you just have to make sure you buy for every section a post kit. So 6-foot, 8-foot post kits, we understand there's going to be 4-foot, maybe 12-foot post kits in some deep water applications. So thanks again for taking the time.